Why AI skills are in demand. AI is transforming every industry. AI is no longer limited to tech companies. Healthcare diagnosis and drug discovery, finance, fraud detection and risk analysis, retail personalization and recommendations, manufacturing, predictive maintenance, marketing, customer targeting, and automation. AI is becoming a core business capability. Why demand is increasing. Businesses are under pressure to reduce costs, increase efficiency, automate operations, make faster decisions. AI helps solve all of these at scale. The shift in work. Earlier, humans did repetitive tasks. Now, AI handles execution. Humans focus on strategy and decisions. This is changing job roles across industries. In-demand skills: machine learning, data analysis, prompt engineering. AI tools and frameworks. Tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch are widely used in building AI systems. What companies value AI talent? AI professionals can automate workflows, improve customer experience, generate insights from data, build intelligent products. Career impact: AI professionals often earn higher salaries, get faster career growth, work on cutting-edge projects. AI skills act as a strong career multiplier. The competitive advantage: professionals with AI knowledge adapt faster, solve complex problems, stand out in the job market. The future: AI will not replace all jobs, but people who use AI will replace those who don't. AI will be integrated into almost every role and industry. The reality: learning AI is no longer optional. It is becoming a core skill for the future workforce.